Hello everyone! Today I am in China. Okay. Not really, but imagine if I was. Eating noodles and talking about skincare at the Great Wall. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. And today we are starting something amazing. Natural skincare at home using things you already have in your kitchen. No expensive products, no drama. Just pure goodness. Before we start, thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are my family. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button like this video and turn on the bell. Okay, deal? Let's go! Part 1. Now let's talk about why natural skincare is so powerful. Look, the best ingredients for glowing skin are not sitting on a store shelf. With a $50 price tag? Nope, they're in your kitchen. Oats, honey, cucumber, lemon. Things that even your grandma loves. And before someone asks, what are oats? Oats are basically that healthy cereal grain that nobody eats unless they're trying to lose weight. But today, oats are going on your face, not in your stomach. Oats are amazing because they gently exfoliate your skin and make it soft like a baby's cheek. So our first DIY mask is oats plus honey plus milk. Just mix 2 spoons of oats, 1 spoon honey, and a little milk. Apply it for 15 minutes and boom, natural glow. Easy, right? By the way, do you guys love DIY skincare or ready-made products? Comment below Team Natural or Team Fancy. I want to see which one wins. And if you've tried any of these, tell me what worked for you. Part 2. Now let's move to my second favorite home remedy, a cucumber ice hack. Take a cucumber, blend it, pour into an ice tray, freeze it, and then rub that cube all over your face. Trust me, your skin will say, thank you. This is perfect for puffy eyes, or when you look tired but you have a Zoom meeting in 5 minutes. Next up, turmeric plus yogurt mask. Guys, turmeric is like that one auntie who cures everything, from pimples to bad vibes. Mix a pinch of turmeric with 2 spoons of yogurt. Apply for 10 minutes. Just don't overdo it unless you want to look like a Simpsons character. And one more bonus tip, drink water. Yes, I know it sounds boring, but your skin literally drinks with you. So, if you're sipping soda all day, your skin is crying. You're still watching. You are a real one. Comment Natural Queen below so I know you're part of the squad. And don't forget to like this video right now, because come on. This is gold, right? Part 3. Now, a lot of you ask, can I do this every day? Not all of them. Scrubs like the oats mask, just twice a week. Ice cubes every day, go for it. Turmeric mask, twice a week. The goal is gentle care, not attacking your face like you're sanding a wall. Oh, and sleep matters. If you're awake at 3 a.m. scrolling TikTok, no mask can save you, sis. Go to bed. Outro. Okay, beautiful people, that's all for today. I hope you learned some fun and easy skincare tips. If you like this video, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And share this with your best friend who needs some glow in her life. Thank you so much to everyone supporting me. We're just getting started. And I appreciate you all. See you in the next video. Stay glowing, stay happy. Bye!